Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we explore how to create smooth gradient masks. Begin by adding a layer mask to your image or adjustment layer. Then activate Mask Overlay mode to clearly see mask coverage. Use the Gradient tool to create smooth transitions between visible and hidden areas, adjusting gradient direction and softness for natural blending. Refine the gradient using low opacity brush strokes to remove harsh lines. Optional enhancements include combining gradient masks with curves or exposure adjustments to control light fall-off. Smooth gradient masks are essential for realistic lighting, depth control, and professional